Okay, we're back with the Chapter 4 review for Algebra 2 Honors. And we're getting near the end. This is problem 30, and I'm going to do 31 also on this video. And we'll leave that 3 by 3 at the bottom there, number 32, for later. Okay, we're supposed to solve each system using an augmented matrix. So we're going to go ahead and do all the coefficients, the coefficient matrix, 2, negative 3, 4, 5. And we'll add or augment with the constants from the other side. Okay, we'll label this one line A and line B. And our goal is to get a 0 in this position. And once we've done that, we're going to break out of this matrix mode. Okay, it's pretty easy to get a 1 in that. Excuse me, I don't know if I said a 1 or we're trying to get a 0 in that position. So I'm going to copy line A for now. And what I'm going to do to get this 0 right here, which is my goal, is I'm going to take line B and subtract 2 versions of line A. So what we have here is 4 take away 2 times 2, which is 0. And then 5 take away 2 of those. Well, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, so 5 take away negative 6. That would be 11. And 14 take away 2 of those, which is 14 take away negative 36. In other words, 14 plus 36, and that gives 22. And we'll label that one C, although we don't really need to do that because we've got our goal here. Everything that's below this main diagonal is 0. Okay, at this stage, we're just going to take this line here and interpret it off to the side. It would be 11 times the y value equals 22. So that tells us y would equal 2. And then we interpret this line, which would be 2x minus 3y equals negative 18. And if you plug in the 2 for the y that we know, and solve, you get x equals negative 6. So you solve for x and y. Okay, number 31. Sorry about that. I lost track of it there. There we are, number 31. We're just going to do this problem here. Let's see, we got a negative 2, a negative 4, and we augment with that constant. And then we have a 6, and a 3, and a negative 15. Okay, our goal is to get a 0 in this position, and we'll call this line A and line B. And we name the lines on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, we use that to note the actions that we're doing. You can switch lines. You can multiply a single line by a constant number throughout. And you can also combine those steps, adding 2 lines together and so forth. So we just copied line A at this point. Now, if I triple line A and add it to line B, you can see that these would cancel off. So 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. When you add that to the B value of positive 6, you get a 0 there, and that was our goal. So I'm going to triple this one, which would be negative 12, and add this one, which reduces it to negative 9. And then I'll triple this would be 60, and add the negative 15. That would give 45. So now I'm going to snap out of matrix mode. I got negative 9y equals 45 right there. And that would imply that y equals negative 5. So now I'm going to take this line and I'll plug in the information that we just gleaned. In other words, y is equal to negative 5. And that tells me negative 2x plus 20 equals 20. Tells me negative 2x equals 0, taking away 20 from both sides, and the only way this happens is if x equals 0. So 0 and negative 5 are the two answers. And we'll pick up on this 3 by 3 on the next video.